sunny, breezy with highs in the lower 60s. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound east of the mouth of the Connecticut River, Peconic and Gardiner's Bays, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:35 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Great Peconic Bay, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Little Peconic Bay and Shelter Island Sound around 11:45 a.m. Deering Harbor and Shelter Island around 11:50 a.m. Gardiner's Bay and Orient Point around 11:55 a.m. Gardiner's Island, Plum Island and Pig Bay around noon. The Race around 12:05 p.m. Western Block Island Sound and Montauk Point around 12:10 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.